In 2023, this is the first video. Happy New Year to everybody. So in today's topic, I am going to talk about very basic skill sets that required for UI designers. So I said this is a very basic skill sets. So I am going to list down those skill sets. Let's get started. Hello all, I am Rambal from Aspera. Happy to see you again. So I am going to list down those skills. The first skill sets are keyboard typewriting speed. So being an UI designer, you have to type very fast. So you have to well verse on keyboard keys. So if you want to be familiar with a keyboard, there are a lot of online keyboard typewriting practicing tools are available. So you go and searching on Google, you find a lot of tools. So why you have to acquire this skill? The reason is very simple. Keyboard is one of the main interface where you are going to spend more time on it rather than your mouse, rather than your monitor. But you are going to interact more time on keyboard only. So if you are going to familiar with these kind of a keyboard interactions, then what will happen? You can be able to create the design very fast. The next important basic skill set is very simple. You have to memorizing the shortcut keys of your design tool. So you are going to create the UI design using any one of the tools, something like Adobe XD or Figma or Sketch. So either one of the tool you are going to use. So my recommendation is very simple. You have to memorize the shortcut keys of these tools. For example, if you are using Figma, you have to memorizing the shortcut keys. So how to acquire this? Basically speaking, how to memorize these shortcuts. In Figma, the shortcut keys are available under the file and help. So if you are going to that file menu and help menu, you can able to see the shortcut keys on the bottom of the screen, and there are categorization of the shortcut keys are available. If you are familiar with all the shortcut keys, you can able to work very fast and quick. You can able to deliver the design as soon as possible. So you can save a lot of time while creating the design. So these shortcut keys are available in online as well. So you can go and search for Figma shortcut keys or Adobe XD shortcut keys. So there are n number of PDFs are available. Lot of designers, they are structuring, organizing the shortcut keys. They made this as a PDF and is being ready to downloadable. So once you download, if you want, you can take a printout and you can start practicing or memorizing 5 keys on a daily basis. In a matter of 20 days, you can able to memorizing almost all the keys. You can increase your delivery speed. You can able to deliver the design quickly. So the next crucial basic skill for UI designer is recognizing the fonts. So if you are a UI designer, you have to recognize the font while seeing itself. How to acquire this skill? So it's very simple. Most of the developments, the developers or the companies or the brands, they are using the open source repository fonts only. So what is open source repository? So there are Google fonts available, and also Adobe also they are offering the typefaces. So a lot of open source fonts library are available. The most popular one is Google Fonts. Google Fonts are offering almost 1000 plus font families. So out of these 1000 plus font families, there are 100 plus font families are very popular. So you can go to the Google Fonts and you can select the sans serif fonts and you can click the most popular or trending fonts. So you can able to get the top 100 fonts. So if you start observing those fonts and start practicing those fonts in your design, what will happen? You can able to start recognizing those fonts. Yes, I can understand. You can argue with that. Over a period of time, I can able to acquiring this skill. But my recommendation is over a period of time is too long. If you are a student level or if you are a practicing entry level of the UI designer, this time itself you can practice this kind of a fonts. So you can download and install these fonts, and Figma and all these fonts are readily available in your Figma application itself, so that you can try these fonts in your design, practice more, and you can able to identifying and recognizing the font family. The next basic skill is very simple. You are going to viewing lot of designs. So you are going to refer lot of design. If you want to be an UI designer, you have to browse, you have to view as much as possible of designs. So I can tell you one small trick. So what you can do in daily basis, you have to visit Dribble or Behance. You can choose some specific topic. In that topic, you can type and search, and you can find n number of designs. So this n number of designs, you have to choose only 50 to 60 designs in a day. Out of these 50 to 60 designs, you have to select the most liked design by you. So you have to select the 5 to 6 designs from this 50 to 60 references. So in these 5 to 6 designs, you have to save in your local desktop or your laptop and keep it with you. So over a period of time, what will happen in a matter of month or two, you can have about 100 to 200 good looking designs with you. Daily you have to invest about 30 minutes to 1 hour time. So if you start looking these kind of a good looking designs, what will happen? Automatically your design sense will be increased so that you can be able to avoid the bad designs. Alright, so this is how you have to improvising your perspective and your taste. Next important skill set is tracing the design. You have to trace the design for your practice session. So daily you have to practice for tracing the good designs. So now you have to connect all the dots. So all the 4 different skills which I was mentioned earlier, you have to connect all the skills and you are going to implement on this skill so that you can improving this skill. Previously I mentioned that, so you have to daily spend some time or invest some time to collect the good looking designs, right? So you have to take those good looking design and you have to start tracing it. If you are going to do this practice, what will happen? Automatically you will be understanding lot of things. So what you will learn basically from this, you will be learning how the designers are structuring the design, how they are giving the hierarchy importance to the fonts. You can be able to recognize the fonts and you can start implementing the colors to the designs and you can be able to create the good looking design. So if you are doing it for next 30 to 45 days, automatically you will start creating your own design in a very good looking manner. So these are the 5 basic skills for the UI designer beginners. Alright, so if you start practicing these methodologies and you will be improvising your design capabilities and the abilities. So your foundation will be very much strong so that you can be able to deliver the design quickly. You can working on the good looking design. Alright, so I hope you like this topic. If you have any queries, you can leave your query in the comment section. I will respond there and I will be catching you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye.